Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Since I finished up the bed sides by the tailgate area back there, I'm gonna get this rear wheel tub pulled and the step pulled, and then a little later on this evening I'm gonna start pulling the front end apart so we can get that motor out. But I want to pull this off first, so let's get her off.
That's what she said.
That did not sound good. Oh, I didn't bring my ratchet set. Oh, that was hot. I cannot get to the back of that bolt. The gas tank is in my way. I'm sure if I fought at it, I could get underneath there and get it. But it's getting all new hardware in here, so I don't care to cut it. And these will get put back on when the bed is actually off of the truck and the gas tank won't be in my way. So I'll just cut it. Okay, so we got this fender off. I was really hoping that this side wouldn't be as bad as the other side, but you can clearly see that it is. So looks like I'll be cutting this side out and replacing it just like I did the other side. No sense in trying to repair it. It's just, I can see heavy grinding marks in here where they took like a stone grinder to it. You know, it's really pitted. I was hoping it was going to be better because there's only 2 little holes in it over here, where the other side was really rotted out. But it looks like it's just as bad. It's not far from having multiple holes in it. So, but we'll attack that another day. Next is getting the motor out. So I know this was just a short little video, but I'm out. It's time to cook some lunch. So I'll be back out here a little bit later to start pulling the front end off. See you guys later.